everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy step on how to apply for Old Navy credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The easiest way you can apply for the Old Navy credit card is online. Go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in oldnavy.gap.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, click on this Apply Now button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see this interface. At the bottom of the screen, click on Start Card Application option. Scroll all the way down and when you see this kind of a text box where it says last 4 digits of social security number and mobile phone number, go ahead and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number in the text box. On the next field, type in your mobile number and you'll receive a one-time text to your mobile number that you've entered on the next page. Click on the continue button after you are done typing in your phone number and follow the on-screen prompts till the end. Once you do that, you'll be able to apply for a new credit card on Old Navy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.